Hi everybody, welcome to SimplyScuba. In today's video we're going to be taking a closer look at the Quiksilver round toe boot. So these are a very thin pair of boots, nice and stretchy, designed for surfing, but you can use them for all sorts of surface water sports to keep your feet safe, a little bit of insulation, but to protect yourself and also give you a little bit of grip. Let's see how they arrive in the box. So this is how they arrive in a nice cardboard box, very recyclable, Quiksilver logos, barcodes and kind of sizing on the side. And then inside of the box, you do have some information about the sort of how they're eco-friendly, different seams and sort of bits and bobs. The two boots themselves, along with a little tag on Aqua Alpha glue, so solvent-free glues. I think it's water-based, which is quite nice. And that's all that's in the box. Let's take a closer look at the boots themselves. So the boot itself, very, very lightweight, very thin, nice and flexible, but also tough in areas where they need to. Starting up at the ankle side of things, 3mm neoprene, so nice and thin, but plenty of stretch and flexibility. So when you're pulling them on, a bit like a pair of socks, decent amount of stretch and flexibility to get in and out of them, and of course plenty of flexibility in your ankle. They go up quite high as well, so they can overlap with your wetsuit, give yourself complete coverage. On the inside, one nice little feature that I noticed is that the labels, and plenty of labels as you do nowadays, they actually attach it on a separate piece of string, so you can actually cut that off and remove that quite easily without risking damaging the boot by undoing some stitching that you shouldn't do. So that's a nice little feature that I noticed. So thank you Quiksilver for that. Around the front of your ankle you have this Velcro. So this is just so that, again, it just gives you plenty of stretch and flexibility to get your feet in and out. But then when you're in, you kind of want it to stay in position so it doesn't move backwards and forwards or rub. So then you can Velcro it down, keep it nice and strong and secure so your foot stays in position. Something else that's helping you out is down on the heel, big old loop, so you can grab hold of that and really, again, just sort of pull it on like a pair of socks and get your foot in position really quickly and easily. All around the sides, around the bottom as well, you have this thin sole, very flexible, plenty of maneuverability, so they feel like a pair of just reinforced socks basically when you're walking around. But you do have plenty of grip as well, so on wet surfaces you can grip onto them, and also if you're walking in sort of rough terrain as well, it protects yourself or your feet a little bit. It's not like wearing a pair of shoes, but if there's something a little bit sharp, it's not going to be as uncomfortable, but again, not protecting you 100%. Toes as well, separated, so you get sort of plenty of space for your big toe and then for your rest of your toes off to the sides. And all of this material is, you can see it's been separated, so flexibility and maneuverability, how your feet naturally move. Quiksilver, well-established brands, I think they know what they're doing at this stage, so yeah, plenty of sort of a natural fit and natural feel. So if you are sort of walking around the water's edge, need to protect your feet, cover them up, and you don't want to wear just a normal pair of shoes. You want something with a little bit of insulation, then yeah, you've got that 3mm insulation in that neoprene. And that's the Quiksilver round toe boot. So yeah, for surface water sports, if you're standing on a surfboard or a stand-up pedal board, just spending time around the water where you just want a little bit of protection for your feet, either from the cold, 3mm neoprene is going to protect them a little bit, not a great deal, but just a little bit, but also protecting your feet, but also in that sort of barefoot feel. You don't want anything too heavy, then yeah, they're definitely worth checking out. There's going to be more information, especially about how eco-friendly they are. We've got all the blind stitch and the triple glues and all that kind of clever stuff. There's going to be more information on our website, SimplyScuba.com. Just click on the link down in the description below so you can check them out and buy them from us. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.